case nobody's asked you this today, are you okay? Are you okay? Are you really fine? I mean, we know it's okay to feel a little lost sometimes. It's alright that you don't want to smile. You don't need to explain bad moments away. We all get them and get through them. Don't forget that even the darkest clouds have the sun shining on the other side. So give it time, and you will be fine.